Welcome to the At Momenti channel, where we celebrate the joys of motherhood, share parenting tips, and explore the world of hair care. We're thrilled to have you here with us. Your support means the world to us, and we'd love to hear your thoughts on what topics you'd like to see more of on our channel. Today, I have an incredible video to share with you. Join me as I uncover the secret to effortlessly undoing Talia's hair while she peacefully sleeps. But before we dive in, let's ponder a question together. Which is easier and more breezy, getting those stunning cornrow braid styles done or taking them down? For me, I've discovered a go-to method for a hassle-free takedown. It involves spraying on hair the detangling moisturizer, then gently unraveling with a tail comb and fingers, combing, twisting, and repeating the process. The key ingredients: patience and an abundance of love. Now, I'm curious to know how you tackle the takedown process. Share your own tips and tricks in the comments section below. Have you tried this method before? Let me know your experience. And hey, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our ever-growing community of moms and daughters. It would mean the world to us if you could show some love by liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Together, let's create a supportive space for all things parenting and hair care. Thank you.